I am Hamza, representing the guy with gadgets. Welcome to a deep dive into the fascinating world of cloud computing. In this video, we'll explore the core concepts and key characteristics of cloud computing, its rich history, and the numerous advantages it offers. We'll also discuss some of the challenges and considerations when it comes to data security and migration in the cloud. Let's start with the fundamentals. The United States National Institute of Standards and Technology identifies 5 essential characteristics of cloud computing: on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity measured service. These characteristics define the flexibility and scalability that make cloud computing such a powerful concept. The history of cloud computing dates back to the 1960s when time-sharing and remote job entry, RJE, became popular. During this era, users submitted jobs to operators who ran them on mainframes. The term cloud to describe virtualized services emerged in 1994, courtesy of General Magic. It was used to describe the places where mobile agents could go. The concept gained momentum in 1996 when Compaq introduced cloud computing-enabled applications. The 2000s saw significant developments, including Amazon Web Services, AWS, in 2002, and the beta release of Google Docs in 2006. The following decade brought us various cloud services. In 2010, Microsoft launched Microsoft Azure, and Rackspace Hosting, along with NASA, initiated the open-source cloud software project, OpenStack. IBM introduced the IBM Smart Cloud Framework in 2011, and Oracle announced the Oracle Cloud in 2012. Amazon continued its dominance, launching AWS Outposts in December 2019, bridging the gap between on-premises and cloud infrastructure. Since the global pandemic of 2020, cloud technology has surged in popularity. Its robust data security and the flexibility it offers to remote workers have made it an essential tool for businesses worldwide. Advocates of public and hybrid clouds emphasize the advantages of cloud computing, including cost reductions, device independence, ease of maintenance, multi-tenancy, performance monitoring, productivity enhancements, availability improvements, and scalability. Security remains a significant concern as users entrust sensitive data to third-party providers. Compliance with regulations like GDPR or HIPAA can be challenging. Reduced visibility and control are also key issues. Users might not have a full understanding of how cloud resources are managed or optimized by providers. Additionally, cloud migration can be complex, costly, and potentially disruptive if not executed correctly. In summary, cloud computing has revolutionized the way we store, manage, and access data and applications. It offers unparalleled flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency, making it a fundamental technology of our time. As we continue to navigate the challenges and complexities of the cloud, it's clear that this technology is here to stay and will shape the future of how we work, connect, and innovate.